Hello, Miss Amigos. Back again. Had a few people reply to the last couple videos, and not even in the comments, but talking about sun exposure, safe sun exposure. Burning is not ideal. Don't get me wrong, burning's not ideal. When I go to the beach, I burn my face, I burn my nose, the reflections. And, well, Brendan, you should just wear sunscreen and put on some sunglasses and put on a hat. And when you start burning, put on a shirt, put on some shorts, put on some pants, put on some socks, put on some shoes. What else? Maybe put on some makeup as well. There's gotta be more options. We could put makeup on the neck, sweatshirt, put the hood on, put the sombrero over the top, something like that. Then I'll be safe from the sun at the beach. I'll be able to take it on, or the sun in general. But that defeats the purpose, doesn't it? Does the wild cat, dog, wolf, lion, squirrel, monkeys, birds. Let's keep going. Can't think of animals right now. Insects, I don't know. Zebras, elephants, cows, goats, sheep, pigs, chickens, turkeys, roosters. The sea creatures, the water creatures, the fish, the jellyfish, they got me good a couple weeks ago. They're the only ones not sick and not suffering. And they don't wear clothes. They wear actually zero clothes. And I'm surprised I haven't got any comments or texts about these shorts. Brendan, do you just wear the same pair of shorts? What do you do, laundry every single day? No, I actually put on these shorts for the exact amount of minutes that you see me record the videos each day. So about 7 to 10 minutes a day, I wear these shorts, take them back off, right back in the underwear. Ideally, depending on certain times, I may or may not have underwear on as well. But no, I didn't say that. I always have underwear on. I always have appropriate shorts on. I'm always ready. I always have my suit on, my tuxedo, my tie, my dress shoes that raise my heels up 2 inches, and my haircut is always sharp. I'm always clean shaven, clean trimming, always ready to go for the progressive modern society. Man, that's pretty good. Pretty good, Brendan. But no, obviously the answer is, if you need sunglasses, if you need sunscreen, if you need a hat, if you need artificial things, you shouldn't be where you're at. Find a very shady spot. Find a quiet spot. Are there bugs there? All right, find another spot. Keep looking, keep searching. Just like the wild cat and dog and farm animals around here all do. They just keep searching, follow their intuition, follow what their body's saying, because they can trust their body's signals, because they're living out in the real world. And they don't have they have zero artificial things except for the lights and the artificial things that we force on them. So just a quick video talking about and making fun of a lot of the things that help us not get hurt by the sun. But really, we just gotta listen to our body. Now, sometimes we wanna be a hero, like me. I always wanna be a hero and overdo things. So that's where it takes a little bit of practice, a little bit of discipline to listen to your thoughts, listen to your feelings. Okay, this is hot right now. I want cooler. Ooh, this is burning. I don't want to be burned. And just think of the first natural thing. What would my pet dog do? My pet dog would get out of this hot ass sand, this reflecting, unhealthy ass area that's frying my eyes and frying my face and frying my skin. He's gonna go find some really nice shade, relax, and watch the surfers. And then every once in a while, he might get an itch to go run out and play for a little bit, and comes back in. But not all day. Not all day, and the dog doesn't put on the glasses, doesn't put on the sunscreen, he doesn't go to the store, supermarket. He just goes and finds a spot that's nice and comfortable. So let's do more of that, see how it goes for us. We'll go more into the detail about why I'm making fun of all these things and why it's just, everyone's bought in future videos. No rush. Just one video at a time, one day at a time. We'll see you tomorrow.